friends, it's been a while. Sorry I haven't been vlogging. I fell off of vlogging again. What's new? So I'm about to go get the boys from school. Today is Tuesday, April the 22nd. I wanted to start vlogging yesterday, Monday, but Alfredo was off and the kids were off. It was Easter Sunday, and so we just did some cleaning. We didn't really do much of anything. Oh, I've cut my hair. I do definitely want to take it down shorter. I launched this new ring today. Isn't it so cute? Also, look how cute my little press-on nails are. There's like a little sardine trend, which is cute. I actually just got a new sardine necklace for the store, and I have these new little bead bracelets at the store as well. Everyone's birthday is coming up. It's the end of the school year coming up. My birthday's coming up. What else? Alfredo's birthday just passed March 26th. I don't think I was vlogging during that time, but we didn't do anything. He's so like nonchalant about his birthday. He never wants to do anything. First he was like, let's go to Vegas, and then it was, let's have a party, and then it was like, just kidding, I don't want to do anything. So last minute we did like a little shindig here at the house. That was about it. So not anything too exciting for him. Same thing with me. I wanted to go out of town for Angelo's birthday. Me and Angelo's birthday our birthdays are 5 days apart, and so typically we do a like trip, and I just kind of, you know, I just kind of celebrate my birthday during the same time, or I feel like I'm celebrating because we're out of town. But really we do we'll do a trip for him. He says he doesn't want to do a trip, and it's his golden birthday, is that what it's called? He turns 10 on the 10th, and so I wanted to do something like big, and he's like, I don't want to go out of town. I was like, oh, okay. So I'm trying to find ideas of what we could do for his birthday. Aiden knew exactly what he wanted to do, so we've already booked, and his stuff is ready to go in like a week and a half. He's about to turn, yeah, in less than 2 weeks now, he will be 12. I changed my shirt. We're just gonna do chicken, but I'm also going to do some shrimp. Look at this little plant I got at IKEA. It's still thriving and making it. I don't know how long it's gonna make it for, but it's still here with us. So I got a new coffee maker, and it's a Ninja. I actually saw this on TikTok. My friend Mary sent it to me. And I was like, oh wow, it's so cool. Like, it does all these cool things. It also can be a regular like filter. You can use like regular coffee. It has this frother here that, oops, that you use just by pressing the button, and then it unlocks to take off and wash. And it does the Keurigs. Kind of wanted a coffee pot, but I was like, no, I think I want a Keurig. On this one, I actually found this one on Amazon because TikTok didn't have this color on there. Oh, and then it brews really, really hot, which I appreciate, because the Beautiful brand coffee maker that I got that I did like, someone mentioned that it doesn't brew as hot. Like, the temperature of the coffee is not as hot. And I was like, I didn't notice that at first. But as soon as they told me that, I was like, okay, yes, I do notice that it's not as hot, especially for me because I add milk to my coffee, so it already cools it down by adding milk. This one is super duper hot, and I really like that about it. We did finally get this room done as far as painted, and we got new baseboards because, you know, Kiwi was eating the baseboards, and she was also chewing on this couch, which we are going to get a new sectional couch. I know I just got this. I got it off of Temu, and I'm very happy with the couch. No complaints. But she started chewing on the edge that we have covered up because, you know, it was one big long couch that took up that wall. And so we just kind of took it apart and made it a sectional for now until we get a new one, because we ain't trying to get in. I mean, we hardly hang out here, and if we do, we hang out on this. So this is not attached. It moves a lot if we do sit on it. So yeah, that's what it's looking like. We added a little hook thing right here and this little bench. And it's perfect because, like, we have Aiden's football stuff right now in there. And then they can hang their backpacks here, because typically what happens is that they get home and they put their backpacks here over the fence. So, like, the dogs can't get to it, and it just, like, lays here, and they throw their sweaters there and blah, blah, blah. And so I was like, oh, I need, like, a little mud wall. I don't know what to call it. My plan is to get, like, a couch that turns into a bed to have here, to have more room in case the boys have friends over. They have like more seating and or sleeping area, because when they do have sleepovers, they tend to be back here now that their gaming stuff is back here. We also got this from IKEA, which I absolutely love. I love this color. I redid the bathroom, but right now the bathroom's a mess. But I'll just show y'all. Also painted in here, new baseboards, new rugs. I had some black accents because we have black hardware on the new doors. And we changed the hardware here. We added new, this is the mess I was talking about. And then we added new light fixtures. I added this here and it really gave a little nice little like fancy touch to the bathroom. I really like it. We added black faucets. Kiwi, get out of there. Got this little tray and soap and lotion dispenser from Amazon. And we still have to mount this mirror. Yeah, so that's what the back room's looking like. It is currently raining right now. I'm on my way to go pet sit, and my hair looks a little crazy because I did fix it earlier, but it's raining outside and I got all wet earlier. And then I'm gonna go grab McDonald's for us because we were supposed to have football, but football's been canceled due to the rain. That's good because Aiden was so excited for today because today is the first day of the NFL draft, and so he's excited to watch it. I'm excited because we watched it last year and I really enjoyed it. It made me cry because a lot of these, you know, young kids, well, they're kids, yeah, they're young adults being drafted and like literally changing their life. So it's crazy, but yeah. Get off the stage! Get off the stage!
Despise the Chicago Bears.
Does anybody like anybody in this division?
They're gonna take Omarion Hampton or Tyler Warren. Watch this. I'm calling my shot. I'm calling my shot. I'm like LeBron, that one LeBron clip. Tyler Warren or Omarion Hampton.
Yesterday,
Oh my God! Stop yapping. Tell us a pick.
a true legend.
Oh yeah.
Bears Hall of Famer Steve McMichael.
R.I.P.
The Chicago Bears selected one of Steve McMichael's teammates and closest friends, Walter Payton, running back, Jackson State.
Walter Payton! Woo! Walter! I love
would go
Walter Payton.
on to rush for nearly
Sweetness.
17,000 yards and 110 touchdowns over 13 seasons, all with the Chicago Bears. As you heard in the 2020
Tyler Warren or what's his name? I forgot. Or Omarion Hampton. I was wrong on both. Oh, that makes sense. Okay.
That's for sure.
Hello and happy Friday. I'm getting ready to go pet sit real quick. And I'm going to come back and get ready because we have that field trip later today. And I have to pick up Angelo early from school so I can get him over to Grandma's to go back to school to go on the bus with the kids. And I got a new, if I can put my rings on, I got a new ring today for the store. It says Mama. Isn't it so cute? I thought these two would be really cute together, but also stacked. Like, how cute is that?
But above all, we pray that you return back soon to medieval times!
Won the Super Bowl and Nas the only one to congratulate me. Niggas agitated, I'm just glad they show they race. Quite frankly, plenty artists, but they outdated. Know that. You ain't accustomed to. I swear I'll be at peace. Yeah, only. Everybody wanna be deep until you get chipped by your go away.
It's no cul-de-sac complete. Sipping blood, living lovely. Number one, living lovely.
Questions on it? A lot of nothing right now. I've been cleaning all morning. Aiden has training today after school, so I'm gonna try to come home and cook dinner really quickly. I got this little set-in from an Amazon seller, and it was by accident actually, because they had sent me an email about a like little workout romper jumpsuit, and they sent me this instead. So I emailed them like, I didn't order this, but it's just a 2-piece set. It's not really my style, I guess. So I'm gonna try to style it, or maybe do a little video for them since they sent it. Also, Alfredo got 2 pairs of shoes, and one of his friends is our quote-unquote shoe plug, but he does actually have like an Instagram where he can get a lot of like the new shoes that are coming out, or shoes that are kind of hard to find. So he got 2 of these. I actually don't know what they're called, but they're like Chevrolet themed. They have these cool little, like, they do have this little Chevy keychain, and this one is like a mustard yellow. This one actually just says Chevrolet in the back. The Chevrolet, and it doesn't have the charms, but it does have the Chevy here. I'm listening.
I'm not gonna say it.
Oh, okay. Wait, why? Why? You don't like to talk to the vlog?
This could be botched because of micropopter. So I think that
it's Aiden's birthday on Saturday, and I him these jeans that he's been asking for, some like baggy jeans. So I got these from Zara, and they just came in today, which is perfect timing because we're having family over on Friday to have like cake and food to help celebrate his birthday with family. I also bought him this shirt, so now he has a little outfit he can wear on Friday. I went to go order him like a little cake at Tum Tum. Tum Tum does a really good job on cakes. I did a cake for Alfredo for his 40th. Nobody ate it, by the way. None of us ate it because we don't really eat cake. I think I had a piece and that was it. But yeah, so we're gonna have family over for cake on Friday and hamburgers. There's the actual birthday celebration. We're actually celebrating on his birthday on Saturday the 3rd. We're going to Epic Water Parks, and we're just taking all the boys with us. And so we're not gonna have any like family. It's just gonna be me and Alfredo as chaperones, I guess. I ordered some very last minute decorations because I didn't know if we were going to be able to do this gathering for Friday, because he normally has games on Fridays. But even if he has games on Fridays, we're just going to skip it because
like this.
look like that. You can hear me okay? It is raining, literally pouring, and I'm gonna go get Angelo from school. I picked up Aiden because he felt sick, but he's feeling a whole lot better now, thankfully. He had like a stomach thing since yesterday, and he mentioned it this morning, but he didn't have a fever or anything, so I was like, oh, he'll be all right. And he called me from school, went to the nurse's office, and yeah, so I picked him up. And Angelo has a field trip today that they were supposed to get back to school at about 2 to 2:30, so I was going to pick him up at like 3. But with the bad weather, they said they were going to be back early, so they were leaving the Dallas Museum of Art at 12, so they should be getting to school about 12:30. I can imagine it's kind of annoying to like load and unload a bus with kids, but he's probably getting all wet. Also, I recently got this lotion from Trader Joe's, and it's really good. Aiden really likes it. I probably should buy him one to have of his own. And then this lip mask, also from Trader Joe's, and I'm really liking it. What happened to your little smile?
Like Christmas.
I never see Alfredo so happy until he's opening parts.
Give me this pedal. Soon.
They put a lot of stuff in that box.
There's a lot of stuff. There's more. There's a computer. The main one. Here is the wires. And there's still more.
The fact that you're smiling. I just wanted to get this. They're cute. Do you like them? I realize I haven't gotten the camera at all today, but I need to go drop off a package. I've been cleaning, so I don't have to do a lot of cleaning tomorrow when people are over. Or people are coming over tomorrow, so I didn't want to spend my whole day cleaning. Are they too big? Let me see your face. Let me see.
Can I have one? I want some.
The kids wanted instant soup, so I went ahead and got me some soup as well. That's gonna help you. We have a friend today. We're going to Sam's to go get the stuff for the little gathering tonight. And then we have to go pick up the cake too. At 10.
The cake.